Hey girlfriends, so we've had a few questions about how to clean your curling headband. So I'm going to just talk you through that today. Keep in mind, you don't have to wash your curling headband very often. Inside of here, we have developed our own proprietary fabric. It is our H²air-Tex fabric. This is what it looks like, by the way. And this keeps it fresh and drying quickly to avoid any potential bacteria buildup from moisture. So yeah, you don't have to wash it often. But I do know that sometimes the things we love in life, they just need a little refresh, especially if you've been using product to hold your curls or using it while you're running around or playing sports and getting sweaty, then yeah, let's give it a wash every once in a while. Doing so is super easy. If you're in a rush, you can always put it into the gentle cycle in the washing machine with your other clothes. Just make sure the cycle is on a cold, gentle, or a cold, delicate cycle so it doesn't get too tangled into other items while it's tossing around in there. And as a bonus, to help it maintain its shape, you can always toss it into a garment bag or those bra bags to protect it further. I personally don't use those, but you can. I don't use it for my bra, I don't use it for my headband. It survives, but yeah, if you have it, I'm positive it'll help.
Okay.
If you do have the time, hand washing is the best way to maintain the longevity of your curling headband. To hand wash, all you need is a sink or a bucket, some mild detergent, and water. Add cold water to the sink, put a small amount of detergent into it, talking about like a spoonful, swirl that water around, and then place your curling headband into soak for about 10 to 20 minutes. After it's done soaking, you can then rinse your headband out and gently wring the water out like this before placing it flat to dry. I like to place it flat on a towel or something to absorb the extra moisture. And then once it's dry, it's ready to be used again. When it comes to drying your headband, air drying, like your hair, is the best option. Don't put it in the dryer as it's just not made for that. And yeah, lay it flat to dry on a surface or place it on a clothesline with the rest of your laundry. Now, if you notice that your curling headband is bunching on one side and like less on the other, don't worry, we can fix that. All you have to do is hold it firmly on the side that's thick and give it a good whack a couple times. It's a great way to relieve stress while fixing any of the bunches. And then once you're done expressing your frustrations, you can smooth it out and it'll be ready to go, back to being even. It's just like a comforter inside a duvet. Sometimes it's gonna slide around, so just hold on to that end and shake it out. Quick fix. Hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. That's a good pun, watching this tutorial. We have so many more great tutorials for you and for all different hair types that you can always find here. Stay tuned and thank you again. Bye-bye.